Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you air fried veggies. So here I've taken 3 veggies, that is onion, tomato and bell peppers. So here I've taken 1 tomato, finely slice it and adding 1 tablespoon oil. Little red chili powder, this is Kashmiri red chili powder, pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon chicken masala. Chicken masala basically gives a nice good flavor. I will mention the chicken masala that I'm using here in the video description below, so you can see later after the video. So here I have marinated the tomatoes. Now it's time to marinate the onion and bell pepper similarly. So I'll be adding half teaspoon oil, salt, red chili powder, chicken masala 1 teaspoon. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below. You can see that later. Give it a good mix. Now place it on the air fryer basket. So I've placed tomatoes here at the bottom because if we place it on top of the onion and bell peppers, then the tomato juices will make the onion soggy. So we want it little crispy, plus we want little grilled texture to the onion. So we are placing it on top. And then bell peppers. I have marinated the bell pepper similarly like we did with tomatoes and onion. Now set the air fryer at 395 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Now it's ready to be served. It's ready now. Garnish it with cilantro. Adding any greens to any veggies make it look prettier, isn't it? So we add cilantro here and lime juice for extra flavor. We enjoyed this as a side dish for tandoori chicken. The grilled veggies has a chicken masala on it and it tastes super good. Very next level mixed veggie recipe. Just add a pinch of chicken masala and the recipe is just wow. So I hope you enjoyed this easy mixed veg air fry recipe. Hope to see you again. Till then, bye bye and take care.